Well, now go on, people. How is everyone doing today? Hope you guys had a wonderful day today, people. Best upon yourself, guys. In Jamaica today, people, rain could have killed. Pure rain a fall, people. Pure rain a fall. Flooding and go on and can't get washed in a gully. Now, people, I come to address a local situation, guys. But I come to give my opinion and thing regarding Kris and Donna situation. As though it was blown out of proportion. You know, over the years, me watch Donna. And, you know, Donna do for her thing. She make her cake and, you know, do her business and mind her own business. Kris as well to him, do him cake. He mind his own business. Stay in him league. You see me? And do him thing. And he's doing wonderful. You see me? And, you know, every man have a responsibility. Every woman have a responsibility. You see me? And what may I say, people? In my opinion regarding the whole meet and greet, in my opinion, I don't feel that myself that Kris have no hatred towards Donna, or him basically come take over the show, or seek or come get all the attention. In my opinion, I feel that Kris was being himself, people. I feel that he might be himself, because I don't see him throwing a shade upon Donna. I don't see him disrespect Donna, or him talk certain things about Donna, people. You know, I don't see him do them things. So it would be very uncalled for to say, yo, Kris is a troublemaker. You see me? Because when you look upon how the man do him thing, you know, him the two in a mix up and the passa or the tea girl call him name, you see him come out and address her and certain things. But this is what social media cause, because you have some people on their platform, all them do is carry news. All them do is text different person and tell them what go on. And say, no, sorry, and then the followers then bring it all around, and then the platform order will come out and address certain things. Because most things on social media, you know, and the platform order them causes the people. The platform, no, should I say that the platform order, the followers them bring the news to the platform order, and the platform order come on them live and talk about certain things, and it cause the problem. You see me? Remember, the man come well dressed and thing, and do film thing. And I say, yo, why the people them have it for say, yo, and that the man I try to do. You see me? Me no think so, people. Other people say it, but I don't think so that him a try for, as him a try for take over the show. Because that would have look away enough and know say, yo, what that him really do, because then I would have a problem with it. Other person would have a problem with it. So guys, as I always say, you know, when you can leave an opinion down below, let me know what you think about this whole drama, what people is causing and making a big deal on social media about Kris and apparently Donna. You see me? Because guess what, I know, people? In my opinion, Mr. Kris is a humble youth, is a cool youth. But sometimes you dry him out, he may cuss out a cloth and tell you about your parts. And he will be very rude at times when you pass your boundary and you say certain thing where you must set you by your behavior particularly towards him. But me not see the bad vibes towards Donna. You see me? Even if him say him as a special guest, him free for talk him want talk say. Because you know when you have your money and you have position and thing, that is when people have mouth. That is true. So if Donna want decide say boy she rent 5 hotel. She have her money, she can do it. Kris them have the money, same can do it. So the people them take the thing from a different level. Because we all know some mix up, so you know. And once we can get a content out of you, I am good. Once I can say something about you and get some views and likes and share, I'm good. You see me? I remember people, why would Kris need to come and get the highlight from Donna when him have him money, him have him business, and him can be good as so is Donna. You see me? That don't make no sense, people. Why would Kris need to compete against Donna and try to get all the attention? Because if we look on things, you know, over the years, you know, people, regarding Kris and Donna, you know, people, there is not much of a problem, you know. There's not much of a problem and thing. Because Kris come to Jamaica come visit Donna And then, you know what, he will talk to her now and then and thing, people. And then I will post Kris over our page alongside Kingston 13. And there's love. There's no malice. There's no bad vibes. There's no you know, and if there's any bad vibes and thing, it would have been shown from a long time. But me just make you know the people, you see the followers them cause problem. The followers them do cause problem. The followers them are the one them will love bring certain vibes. You see me? Enough of them followers they love carry mix up to each to platform order. Peer mix up them carry. Peer things them carry and tell people what go on and thing. I mean I say yo, some of them platform order them are shovel. You see me? Them and them followers them. Troublemaker them. You see me? But I just say go people, you know. You know, once you're popular and you be a particular way, people are gonna saw them off about it. So Kris would have understand and say things. You see me? I just saw the things set, people. If you come on a stage show and you start to behave a particular way, you know, typical Jamaica say, boy, watch it, see it, and my party, you know, and the boy come and take back a picture and him and go on the most. I mean, you know, because sometimes I wonder if that was some bad mind thing, is that people see Kris I take picture and thing and they start carry feelings, them start bring bad man and say Kris try to take the show. I say, no man, why never things so? Why never things that dirty? Eh? Where want to get that from? One man of us are dirty people. There's no love. Eh? Where is the love? Where is the love we should have? Hmm? Wait gone. Wait gone. Hmm? Every little thing at all a quarrel. Every little thing at all a mix up and drama. See me? And most of them followers and them have sense. Them know them a do. Them know them a do. And if you want to know people, just go on somebody's live and say something when you must say, and you see somebody screenshot it. Especially when you have like for example now, either GT buzz or entertain buzz or you want to call. If we go on anybody's platform and types or we shouldn't type and things, somebody screenshot that and send it go get the platform order and then waiting cuss go on. You see me? So the people them there the show and them are the one who are really ignite this Kris thing, and them are the one that ignite the fire and I make it look like so the man not like Donna or the man come to take over Donna's show. You see me? Everybody free to do what they want to do, because see there Ashanti have him opinion. A lot of people have an opinion towards it. You see me? Everybody have an opinion, but is the end of the day still is what the art is saying. You see me? So if Kris have a good art towards Donna, one in there it's gonna show. It's gonna show. You cannot hide it. Cause sometimes you know, in life, you know, you can behave. You can't go like real to somebody, you know. You can't go like real until one of them they can't be a real no more. And somebody figure you out. I say, no man, but in a real, you're fake. I mean I say, yo, them people not learn. Them not learning. Every little thing at all them do, them bring certain vibes and things, make people and people in an argument. Them people know them I do, them people have sense. You see me? So guys, bless up on yourself here, man. Bless up on yourself. And good night to the people, and respect for watching the video. Please like and share. Let me know what you guys think about, you know, the whole Kris and rubbish that the people talk about. Kris bad mind Donna and Kris come to take over show and all them thing there. You see me? The whole social media drama and everything, the MC fire against Marcia, you know, Donna have retaliate and clap to our far people, you know what I mean? In a jokey fire way. So you know, so this video is about entertainment, laughter, fun and drama. So guys, like and share people. You see me? Let me know what you think about it, my viewers and my subscribers. Bless upon yourself, you know, people. It's been a joy for having you guys, and I will talk to you again, guys, tomorrow. So just stay tuned, rock and come in as usual. So I'm gonna drop new vids, only get them first people. GT buzz the you know, people. So I'm gonna go and stay focused here, man. Go and stay focused on the game ahead and thing, and best upon yourself, people. I'm about to come out of the car right now, guys, so just go and stay tuned. You see me? I'm out, people. Guidance.